Next, y'all, we got the ultimate BMT with provolone cheese. I got the Italian herbs bread. It's the best bread there. Y'all see it? Got that junk toasted. It's not that bad. Obviously, I had a better sandwich, but it ain't bad, yo. I give this joint a smooth 7. Good shit, Subway. Oh, buffin'. Lastly, yo, we got the footlong cookie. I'm excited for this. They just took this joint out, so it should be fresh. Nah, this joint is long. Y'all see it? Yo, this cookie hit. Very soft. The chocolate chips are melted. This joint get a smooth 9 from me, y'all. This is hit. Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't think I can finish this in one sitting, y'all. But this joint is hitting. Y'all need to go get this footlong cookie. No bluffing. Oh yeah, Subway. Y'all cooking with this joint. No bluffing. This cookie worth it, y'all, cause you getting this whole footlong cookie for $5. You can't beat that, man. Go try this.